Hello guys, welcome to BroTech, and in this video I'm gonna unboxing Honor 9 Lite. So before start the video, let me tell you I'm very busy nowadays, so it will be tough for me to upload a video, but I try to upload a video in a week. So let's start. Let me open this box. As you can see guys, its body design looks very cool and it has very eye-catching look. Now let me open this phone. After some few days, I'm going to give review about this Honor 9 Lite and give my good and bad opinions on it. Okay, let me tell you about this phone. It has a long and big display. Now let me tell you its specification. It has a 4 GB RAM with 64 GB internal storage and 3 GB RAM with 32 GB internal storage. It divided into two categories, and it has a front camera with 8 megapixel dual camera, and back camera dual camera 16 GB, sorry, not 16 megapixel camera with flashlight, and it has a 3000 mAh battery, and its processor is octa-core 1.7 gigahertz, and this processor only is made for gaming. That is why its battery was bad, because in all Honor phones battery is not much good as other phones like Redmi Note, Redmi phones, and etc. Okay guys, inside this box there is a one adapter and one data cable here for charging. And there's one special thing is that they give us back case. It is transparent back case. Wow, I didn't believe that they seriously give us. Okay, now let me put it on a 9 Lite. Done. Okay, now maybe my unboxing is over. Now guys, that's for today. See you in my next video, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it.